News from the U.S., where President Donald Trump has said that high tariff countries such as India, China and Brazil harm America, and that Washington would impose taxes on other countries to bring money into the U.S. We're going to put tariffs on outside countries and outside people that really mean harm to us. They mean us harm, but they basically want to make their country good, is what Trump told the House Republicans at a Florida retreat. Donald Trump said the U.S. will create a fair system where funds will flow into the nation's coffers, ensuring that America becomes very rich again.
Put tariffs on outside countries and outside people that really mean us harm. They want to, well, they mean us harm, but they basically want to make their country good. Look at what others do. China's a tremendous tariff maker, and India and Brazil and so many countries. And so we're not going to let that happen any longer, because we're going to put America first. Always put America first. That's what's going to happen.
Prime Minister Modi and Donald Trump held a telephonic conversation where they discussed a range of issues, including trade. Now, Donald Trump's statement, as you mentioned, calling India one of the high tariff nations, naming India alongside China and Brazil, it reiterates what President Trump has been mentioning throughout the past, throughout his election campaign and since his November victory, that he will impose high tariffs on India among other nations, and reciprocal tariffs, in fact. And now, in this particular statement, he mentions that that he's going to impose tariffs on countries who mean harm to America but are trying to do good for their own country and trying to earn money for their own countries. Now, this comes, as I mentioned, roughly hours after U.S. President Donald Trump held a conversation with Prime Minister Modi, where Trump emphasized the need to even out the trade playing field, discussing the fact that India needs to up its defense procurement from the U.S. and, in fact, level the bilateral trade ties, because in the past he has called India one of the big abusers of the trade ties between India and the U.S., and hence him reiterating the fact that he will in fact impose these trade tariffs brings a little bit of friction in what is otherwise quite a strong relationship between New Delhi and Washington. Now, in his first, range of executive orders, he has yet to impose tariffs on any of the countries that he has mentioned, but it is we'll have to wait and watch to see what happens on February 1st.